Cruz. Welcome to my channel.
It's your birthday, Mommy?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm turning 3. Mommy, I see Pokemon.
Oh, Mommy, look.
Poppy! Like a mermaid. Yeah, Poppy.
Ah.
Oh, I like this. This, oh. Mama, take this off.
Say cheese.
Are you getting balloons?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, wow.
What's today, Mommy?
Monday.
No, today is your...
Birthday?
Yeah, tell her today's your birthday.
This is my birthday.
I'm sorry, I just
I like coffee. Thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome, my love.
For me?
Yeah, we're gonna look for some shoes for your birthday.
Okay.
Let's see what...
My spaghetti Judy.
Not sure.
Mama, this is
What are you gonna cut?
got this already. Oh, this one.
Okay.
This is the toy. See? Open set. Welcome to my birthday. It's so much fun. We'll get the stuff and I got no shoes.
What are you eating?
Lollipop.
How does it taste?
Like, it's like strawberry vanilla. Like, it's not the bananas.
Don't drop it. Hold. No. Hold it.
Just take it.
Don't shake it. Hold it still.
Look at
Mommy, careful.
strawberry.
Careful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cruzy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, take this out.
Are you gonna bite it?
Let's see.
Don't cut me.
Don't cut you? Okay. Let me see your book. That's so nice. Maddie made something for you. Right here.
Oh my gosh, this is a kid's one?
With the hair. That's too cute. Wow, look at this one. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Sit down, Mommy. Sit down. Is it yummy? Oh.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Mom, watch it.
Go in the hallway.
Turn.
Oh, snap. Turn. Ah! Okay. That's better.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wave at the camera. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.